Do you want to see one of the coolest things that we just brought in here at Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum? I'm Megan, and right next to me, I've got the Grace Cutie Tabletop Fabric Frame. This fabric frame is awesome because you can put your home sewing machine onto it, and then you've basically got a bite-sized version of a long arm quilting machine. So you can put almost any machine on it. It has to have about 7 inches of space between the needle and the base, or larger, in order for it to work. And if you have a machine such as a Bernina or a Janome Continental M17 that has a stitch regulator, you can use that alongside of this and have stitch regulation. If you don't have stitch regulation, you are the stitch regulator, but right now what I have on the machine is a Janome Continental M7. We've got the fancy Quilter Collector series on it, because why not? But look at this. I can just move the handles and it moves the machine nice and easy for me. In order to have the machine go, I do have my foot control on the floor, and you can do it either standing up or sitting down. For me, I tend to drive my car sitting down, so to me this feels a little bit more comfortable. But you can set it up on a taller table at home, a folding table like we have here, or you can even put it on one of those hydraulic tables where you can switch between the two. Putting this together is not too hard. In the store, it took us about 2 hours in between customers. So at home, when you don't have people walking through the door saying, "Hello, what are you building? I'm so excited," it'll take you a little less time. And then, not to mention, the handlebars here are adjustable. So there's this little knob that I can move here, and then I can angle them differently. And the other cool thing is where this hooks into the carriage, it actually allows you to hook it in the back in case you want to do pantographs, which is really, really fun and a really cool way to quilt to make it look like you have robotics when you don't. The Grace Dream Quilter 15 also works on this frame as well. And what's nice is that the footprint is only about 2 feet by 4 feet. So it really doesn't take up too much space, and it's easy to store away too. So if you want to see it in action, I'm going to go ahead and stitch. If you can't tell, here in the store, we have played with it a lot, and we've had a lot of people excited about it. So I just want to share the excitement. So I'm going to take my thread, do standard needle up, needle down, and raise that. And now I'm just going to step on the gas. And I can move the machine even with just one hand. It slides back and forth so easily. There are channel locks available for it, so you can do your straight line quilting nice and easy. And altogether, I'm very excited about this product, especially if you are somebody that's thinking about doing long arm quilting or purchasing a long arm quilter, but you don't have the space for it, or if you're not sure how you'll feel about it. I feel like this Grace Cutie Tabletop Fabric Frame is a great option that's at least a stepping stone in the right direction. Of course, we have them here at our stores here at Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum. All of us have been playing with them a bunch and have gotten so excited about them. So come stop by and play with it yourself. We'll see you then.